Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 10 settings. So I will show you 5 ways in order to fix it. So let's go to the first one. Press Windows R from the keyboard so it will open run on the Windows 10 laptop. Now you need to type in services.msc. Okay, now hit enter. Now it will open up the services window just like this. Now you need to find WLAN configuration. Select anyone and press W from the keyboard, so it will take you to the W. Now find WLAN configuration, scroll down and we will see somewhere as WLAN. Okay, now here you can see WLAN auto configuration. Okay, now you need to right click on it and go to the properties. Now make sure that the startup type is automatic here. Okay, automatic, the second one, and make sure the service status is running. Okay, if start is not there, then you should click on start, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now let's go to the second one. Again, use the Windows search bar and type in device manager. Okay, now you'll see device manager at the top. Click on it. Now from this list you need to find in network adapters here. Now you can see it is here, network adapters, expand it. Now you need to look out for your wireless network adapter, that is the second one, Qualcomm Athros wireless network adapter that I have. You may have some other network adapter. Now what you need to do is right click on it, then click on update driver here. Now it will open up a window just like this. Now click on browse my computer for driver software. Now click on the second option, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now select the first one, okay, and click on next. Now it will update your drivers, installing drivers. Now Windows has successfully updated your driver. Okay, now it may be working again. So if it doesn't fix it, then again you should open device manager from here. Simply type in device. Okay, now again go to the network adapter, expand it, select your one, right click on it, click on uninstall device. Now you are about to uninstall this device from your system, so click on uninstall. Okay, then restart your computer, so the Windows will automatically install the wireless driver for you and it will fix your problem. Now the next thing that you need to do is, again you need to type in device here, the fourth one. Go to the device manager again, and again you need to go to the network adapter and okay, now network adapter, right click on this, right click on your wireless network adapter, right click and go to the properties here. Now on the top there are so many options. You need to click on the power management tab here. Now allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You can see there is a check mark in front of it. You need to remove this check mark. Okay, remove the check mark and click on OK here, just like this. So this may have been creating the problem for you, so now it will fix it. So now we will move on to the fifth one. Go to the Windows search bar and type in system configuration. System configuration. So it will now open up this window. Now you need to click on the third option, that is services here. Now make sure that all the services are selected. Okay, all the services are enabled in this section. Now you can also do the select all option and you can simply click on enable all here. Okay, so if enable all button is there, that means one of the services is not selected. So you need to click on enable all, then you need to click on apply, then you need to click on OK. So these 5 methods, one of the methods is going to fix your Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 10 settings. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.